Omwanchwa omurigelia we TV ya AGR ndenga mbiole andonsi asole niko chabere chinsa chiko baletera magana maya asenchira yo boikirano bunatikire aiga semese itu baralia litukeliga lialero korene litangani tonyora magana yo asenchira yo bwenge abo bisa babanyanyimbo niko bagendrete kumochiwa ase ogo tabwatia ebina biri abana batacheirinse ase county ya Kisii abaminyoki kurwa ase county ya Nandi nigo babuliriye serikali kubabeka somoro buli mutangani ase bali abagochikonyora ejanjo y'oburwaire bwa corona n'abalimi bechaye kurwase orogongo rwa Gusii nigo babuliri obochori bwo kubachora ba director woteneniwa asengecho y'oburwaire bwa corona mangana yo asenchira y'obwikirano Maritana Dennis Zadok abo bisa babanyanyimbo ase county ya Kisii nigo bamochigwe ase ugotabwatia ebina biria abana bakageiri gotachirunse ase county eyo kagukwana na balikia mangana muguma rebo ase county ya Kisii jana etungira nigo atebirenga goikaboniga ebina kianda nigo birase bigambiro na tirumbira bwatiwa na goika omwelio na goteba egento getari koleta obwasi oku ase bali bakoleiro komochigwa gose okomocha ase county ya Kisii abo ase aboliri abo bisa babanyanyimbo kwene kinga obwene ngokolekana buli ekera bana batachirunse ase county ya Kisii.
The office of my very good brother and who is my friend Fred Matiangi has not taken enough measures to curb these incidents. We cannot have a society where our children, particularly baby girls, are being raped. You remember the incident that happened in Kenya last year? Yeah. 2 young girls, 9-year-olds, were raped and murdered. I screamed at the top. We women leaders came here. We screamed, do you want us to strip naked? No perpetrator up to now has been arrested. Why are they not being arrested? It's not that people don't know where they are. The community knows. You have achieved. You have umotulate. What is the work of those people? Then they should all be fired. They go home because their jobs, they have lost the direction, and in terms of what they are doing, they don't understand their work.
Abaminyoki kurwa ase county ya Nandi niko babuliriye serikali enene amoniche serikali cheche county kubwatana elio kubabeka asomoro bilibo konyole janjo y'oburwaire bwa corona bakokwana na balikia mangana abaminyoki aboni ko batebanga nigo baleteire Kenya esiko enene na nigo baburete kubekwa asomoro bilio mutangani asokonyora echanjo y'oburwaire bwa corona na gotebanga nigo oburwaire bwa corona bwabeire obube andi ake bura baise ko baita ekero bago korachi taro analia kira engaki na kubulia koegwa echanjo eyo batarigotiwa magagasomoro bilio mutangani.
Tunauliza serikali ya kwamba ingepanga mkakati ya kwamba wanariadha wote wapatiwe chanjo ili hata wanaposafiri wao wamekuwa wamechikinga na hii corona, sababu wao wanalete sifa katika nchi.
Sio janga ambalo litaweza kuisha kwa sasa, ni janga ambalo liko na bado litakuwa na bado.
Abalemi bechaye kurwase orogongo rwa Gusii ase county ya Kisii amoneli ya Nyamira niko baboliri obochori bwo kubachora ba director amo na baliki ba sector yechaye woteneniwa asengecho y'oburwaire bwa corona bakokwana na baliki mangana abalimi abo nigo batebanga chinga kechiga nigo chiri chimbe mono ase engecho tibakonyara gwikirania obochori obo ekegera nigo bobekiri gokorekana litukeli mo chitariki 30 mutinyo yo iga ase orogongo rwa Gusii na gotebanga nigo obochori obo borete guteneniwa asengecho nga nigo yarekanire nga sector yo abantu mbale batagete koyekora buna yabo na esekte yo nigere eyabalemi bonse kurwa sorgongo rwa Gusii bwase batakire obwene bokolekana gochiase bale.
Have said they want to do election. Take for example like Tombe. We have 25,000 farmers. How can 25,000 farmers converge in a place, just one place, to do election? It is quite impossible. And Tombe covers a very wide area, a very vast area. Many kilometers away. It will be difficult for those people to come together at one place to do the election. Secondly, we don't know these people. Who are they who are seeking for election?
Vile nimeona serikali inaendelea kutuambia mambo ya uchaguzi ambao hatujui yatoka hapo mahali yanaenda, imetukasirisha. Wakati huu ni wakati wa corona. Watu tunafunga vitambaa kwa mdomo. Hata siwezi kujua huyu ni nani. Sasa hao wanataka uchaguzi. Ni mkulima ama ni mtu mwingine kutoka mbali?
We, KTDA, in collaboration with the farmers, established the mode of elections, directors elections, which serve...
Waikiragabo omwanchwa omurigeli we TV ya AGR na ngo yabutora mangana maya asenchiro bwikirano unatika aiga semesi YouTube rya litukeriga lya lero waikachinga kichinde oyolenge magaga yechi kamera ko ene kinga amangana ya igango gocherara asenchira ya bene niko akolukunga Fidelis Omingo mochoke guseko wancha monogeri bwabagetuto inse yoboteneri wa Jeremiah orina ontire malietane ni wonkoro kwa Dennis Zadok na bakaneri obotekelio bya monobulikilio bya Media TV ya AGR.